Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have admin access and a formatted external drive. Plug it in now. Open Control Panel and go to Backup and Restore, Windows 7, or use File Explorer to copy your user folder directly. Choose whether you need a full system image or just your user profile. Full image captures apps and settings. Folder copy saves documents, desktop, and app data manually. Once done selecting the method, click Setup Backup or start copying immediately. Make sure the destination drive is correct before continuing. Now execute the chosen method step by step. If using Backup and Restore, pick the external drive and choose Let Me Choose so you can include C/users /your name and hidden app data. Schedule regular runs if you want automated protection. If copying manually, open two Explorer windows and drag desktop, documents, downloads, and app data folders to the external drive to preserve file structure. If creating a system image, include system reserved partitions. This takes longer, but lets you restore Windows exactly as it was. Monitor progress for errors. Complete the process by verifying your backup immediately. Compare folder sizes and open several files to ensure they are intact. If you created a system image, mount it or use Windows recovery tools to confirm readability. Once verified, use Safely Remove hardware to eject the drive and store it securely offsite if possible. If something goes wrong, first check the drive for errors, confirm adequate free space, and verify you had admin permissions. Then rerun the backup, or use chkdsk and retry after fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.